Good morning and welcome to our Friday assembly. We would like to recognize and acknowledge the Songhees and Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Now cover your ears because it's time for Friday morning online.
Hi everybody, Mr. Monkey here. Just came into the kitchen and I noticed that everybody's doing cooking. I didn't know we did cooking at school. Let's go talk to Elliot and find out what he's up to. Elliot, hi, nice to see you. What are you doing today?
I'm baking the rest of my lemon squares or cookies.
But
vegan
what are
chocolate
you baking
cookies
at school? We don't do that.
for exhibition?
So what are you trying to figure out?
Well, I'm trying to make some vegan recipes because I think it's important to eat vegan.
So you're changing recipes to make them a little bit different. So they're vegan and plant-based, right?
Yeah.
Congratulations, that's great. Thank you. And over here, we have Maya. Maya, can you tell everybody what's going on in a big voice?
Well, what I'm doing right now is I'm making lactose-free lemon bars.
Yum.
And I'm currently working on the crust for that.
Are you doing any banana-flavored ones?
I could, but not the second.
Oh, okay. Well, when you have banana-flavored ones, let me know and I'd like a taste.
Works for me.
Thank you. And over here, we have Victoria.
Hi.
Victoria, what are you doing?
These are my gluten-free cookies.
They're kind of funny shapes. What happened?
Well, I put them too close together. And I also forgot to spray them with any baking spray. So they kind of stuck to the pan. So now I guess they're cookie chunks.
I see. So, sounds like you've learned a whole bunch in your baking.
Yes.
Okay, thanks for sharing. I can't wait. Do you have any banana-flavored ones?
No, sorry.
Okay, but maybe I'll taste those ones. They look pretty good. Good, thank you. Bye, Victoria. Hi, everybody. This is Sarah. What are you working on? You're doing your exhibition, but what is it?
I'm making a website.
A website? That sounds incredible. What's going to be on your website?
I'm gonna add the rest of my group presentation, and I'm gonna teach everybody how to build a website.
Wow, that sounds great. Is there going to be banana trees in your website?
We'll see.
Okay, thank you. Bye. And over here, we have Isaac. Isaac, what are you doing? That's a big, fancy computer.
I'm making a game from like the basics in Python.
What's Python? Is that a snake? Woo!
It's both a snake and a coding language.
A coding language. So are you learning how to code?
Yeah.
Great. Are you coding bananas?
Not really, but I fixed one of the errors by renaming a thing to banana.
Yay! I love bananas. Thanks, Isaac. You're the best. Okay. Bye, everybody. I hope you can see the exhibition when it's all finished.
Thank you and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.